रियाज अंसारी। इस वक्त मैं महाराष्ट्र के तारीखी शहर औरंगाबाद से बात कर रहा हूं और आज देखिए गोल्डन जुबली मनाई जा रही है। बहुत सा स्क्रीन के आपने पूरा कार्यक्रम को देखा है। हम चौथे स्तंभ के सिपाही हैं और कहने की अच्छी बात को हाईलाइट करना, एक अच्छा संदेश पहुंचाना हमारा कर्तव्य बनता है। देखिए आज की जो युवा पीढ़ी है, जो स्कूल पढ़ रहे हैं, कॉलेज पढ़ रहे हैं, इनके चेहरे को गौर से देखिए ये स्टूडेंट्स हैं आज जिन्होंने अपने स्कूल के दिनों को याद को ताज़ा किया है। अपने वो टीचर्स जिनकी छड़ी से, जिनके प्यार से, जिनकी डांट से इन तमाम लोगों ने ऊंचाई को छुआ है, उनके एहसान को माना है, उनको धन्यवाद किया है। आज के तमाम विद्यार्थी, तमाम स्टूडेंट्स को चाहिए कि इनसे प्रेरणा ले। ये वो चेहरे हैं, ये हमारे कहते हैं ना भारत रत्न, ये तमाम एक एक फर्द यहाँ पर कहने के भारत रत्न से कम नहीं है। इन्होंने एक ऐसी प्रेरणा दी है और तमाम जो दुनिया से गए हैं टीचर्स, उनके दोस्त, सबको याद किया है। कहने का मतलब ये है कि तमाम बातों में एक एकता का संदेश है, एक प्रेरणा है, हमारा जो है तो एक सभ्यता है, हमारा कल्चर है, हमारा प्यार है और इसीलिए कहते हैं कि मेरा देश महान है।
मेरे फ्रेंड्स क्या कह रहे हैं, बुढ़ा होगा तू, मैं नहीं हूं, ये कहना चाह रही है वो। तो आपके दिमाग में एक बात आ रही होगी कि ये कौन आ गए, कहां से आ गए और किस लिए आ गए। इसका विवरण, इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन, इसके पीछे महत्वाकांक्षा, इसके पीछे जो सोच और ये क्यों हो रहा है, उसको मैं बुलाना चाहता हूं वो शख्स को जिसने इसको इंजीनियर किया पूरा। और कैन आई इनवाइट रवि नाउ to give an introductory speech. Boys and girls and friends, give him a big hand. I have to say something about you, Ravi. Please stand here. Just stand next to me here, bhai. Friends, those who don't know me and a few who know me, I'm Captain Piyush Sinha. I'm from the Merchant Navy. And I captained ships for over 20 years. Okay? But, Ravi captained this batch better than me. Ravi, stage is all yours.
Thank you, Piyush and Asmat. Sisters who have dedicated their whole life for the noble profession of teaching and molding the young boys and girls like you and all of us. I am still young, all of us are still young. Sister Nora, Sister Fatima, Sister Cynthia, all the sisters who are present here, my teachers. I am very fortunate to have 3 teachers here. Sister Fatima is there, Dost Mohammed sir and Desai sir. All the teachers here, my friends, my colleagues, my batchmates from 1975, and boys and girls, good morning. Thank you. You see that we are like your grandfather, grandmother, we are grandparents. You have your grandparents at home. You are just like our grandchildren. But today, I am letting my emotions go wild and I am back to my school days when we were just young like you. You may see us as senior citizens, but at heart and inside, we are still young and we are feeling that we are very young. It is what the school has done for us is what we are standing before you. There are so many of our batchmates of all their own lives and on all their careers. One is a captain, one is a businessman, one is internationally famous, a businessman. Then we have doctors, we have so many other learned people amongst us. You have teachers, you have seen headmistresses. Who has made all these things? I am a CA. Who has made all these things? the foundation, the seed of inception comes from the noble work done by my teachers, by the school, and that is where we have grown into such giants. I would say giants because everyone here is a giant in his own way. Today is one day where we would like to also remember who could not be present amongst us. We have mates who have gone to a better world. They have departed and they are no more with us. The relatives, the wives, the husbands, the mothers are here. I would also welcome them and thank them to be part of our celebrations. And believe me, boys and girls, this is not a celebration, but it is a way of coming back to the school and giving back to the school what we are, what we could do in a small way. And we have done few things. As we go ahead with this assembly, you will understand what we have done. There are other batchmates, my other friends, who would also be speaking. So I would not take a lot of your time, and I would thank all of you one and again for allowing me to be present here. And believe me, I am before you sheerly because of nepotism. The credit and the glory goes to one of our batchmates who was incidentally my wife and who is departed. She was a star, she was a darling of the crowd. I thank her and I remember her before I leave the podium. Thank you very much, my dear boys and girls, sisters, teachers, and my friends. Thank you.
और इसमें एक चीज़ जो अभी रवि ने कही, मेरी और रवि की एक कॉमन प्रॉब्लम थी. हम लोग क्लास में 4th, 5th या 6th रैंक आता था और पहले 3 में से हमारे फियर्स कॉम्पिटिटर्स यहाँ हैं, एक वहाँ है, एक ऊपर चली गई है. तो it is a very nostalgic moment that the girls always beat the boys. So ladkiyan, you be very assured that you'll beat all your classmates when you get a rank. And we always wanted to be the first, second and third, but normally Ravi मेरा 4th, 5th, 6th तक rank आता था. First, second, third के rank जो है decided ही होते थे. We had conceded to the girls. Anyway, that क्योंकि Ravi brought up something, मुझे कुछ याद आ गया. अब मैं जो हमारे टीचर्स आए हैं यहाँ पर, मैं उनको ऑनर करना चाहता हूँ ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ आवर फ्रेंड्स. Geeta and Sikandar, can you escort Sister Nora on the dais? And Vasu, can you come here? Boys and girls, can you keep standing while I invite Ujjwala, again a very dear, everybody is dear, to read the preamble of the Constitution of India. I'm sure you boys and girls know what the Constitution is, but it is always nice to go through it all over again. Ujjwala, please go ahead.
Everyone, I'll be reading the preamble of the Constitution. Okay. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
जोर से दमदार गुड मॉर्निंग. You know, first time I've been the principal now for 20 years. I'm getting emotional. मुझे बोलने में तकलीफ हो रही है. It is really we are overwhelmed today with so much of love. Come back here. मैं आपको एक सीक्रेट बताती हूँ. मैं वहाँ से यहाँ तक 50 साल के बाद आई. मैं कभी भी स्टेज पे I was never given, I was a very average student. मैं सिर्फ खेलती थी and everybody used to know me as a badminton player. I was a star for every school. आपको मैं बताती हूँ. That time the celebrity was of course then also Prakash Padukone, but now of course you know him as Deepika Padukone's father, and I was his mixed double partner at that time. I played open with him, and I was known as only a badminton player in the school. My father was in the army, so I got opportunity to play in the club. बट क्या होता है हर जिंदगी में हम लोगों को आगे बढ़ना होता है एंड वी गिव एग्जाम्स. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गिव एग्जाम्स? ऑल ऑफ यू गिव एग्जाम्स, राइट? और एग्जाम्स में हम बहुत तैयारी करके जाते हैं, बहुत पढ़ाई करके जाते हैं. बट व्हाट हैपेंस इफ द आउट ऑफ सिलेबस क्वेश्चन कम्स? व्हेन आउट ऑफ सिलेबस क्वेश्चन कम्स, व्हाट हैपेंस? सब हाथ में पसीने, पेट में गुड़गुड़, and then we are not able to think properly. और आसपास सब कहते हैं यार क्या बेकार, सब कुछ बेकार, everything looks dejected. So out of the syllabus question अगर एग्जाम में आ जाए तो थोड़े से नंबर जाते हैं, बट अगर जिंदगी में आपके आउट ऑफ द सिलेबस क्वेश्चन आते हैं, then you have to beat that. There will be, life is never a straight line. You will always get out of syllabus questions in life. Life throws all these questions at you. And you have to prepare. You can't give up. You have to keep on moving. So आज मैं आपको एक छोटी सी, बहुत छोटी सी स्टोरी बता रही हूँ. I was told that आपको जल्दी स्टोरी बतानी है. तो छोटी सी स्टोरी में I will try to see what kind of a values that you can get. एक छोटी स्टोरी है जिसको मैं बहुत बिलीव करती हूँ एंड आई कॉल इट एज माई फ्रॉग स्टोरी. एंड सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फ्रॉग्स. आजकल कितने कंपटीशन होते हैं ना, आजकल ये इनोवेट होता है, आई नो डिफरेंट थिंग्स गेट इनोवेटेड. सो यू हैव, वी हैड अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग competition, that of competition between frogs, and there was a pole, quite a long height pole, and उसमें सब frogs को बोला गया चढ़ो, और जो सबसे ऊपर चढ़ेगा that frog will be a winner. So small frog climbing the pole, can you imagine, can you visualize? How many of you can visualize small frogs तो क्या होता होगा, बहुत सारे फ्रॉग्स चढ़ रहे हैं ऊपर, तो क्या होता है, थोड़ा सा चढ़ेंगे फिर गिर जाते थे, थोड़ा सा चढ़ते थे फिर गिर जाते थे, थोड़ा सा चढ़ते थे फिर गिर जाते थे. So all those people who were sitting and watching the competition, they would say, what kind of a competition, what small little frogs, ऐसे भी कोई इतने competition रखता है, इतने छोटे छोटे frogs हैं, इतने छोटे छोटे, you know, how can they do it, it is impossible for them to climb. सब लोग जो organizers होते हैं उनको सब लोग, they all tell them wrong things कि कैसे ऐसे कोई competition थोड़ी ना रखता है, and they tell the frogs, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. But वो बेचारा, वो गिर गया बेचारा, वो भी गिर गया बेचारा. They have all those kind of talks going on, and then says, poor things, they cannot climb. It's so impossible to climb. What kind of a game is this? However, what happens? So slowly and slowly, all frogs keep falling down. But there were two frogs who kept moving up, and there were a lot of negatives being spoken, shouting being done, बेचारे ये कैसे करेंगे, वो कैसे करेंगे, but they kept moving up and they climbed the top of the pole. So everybody was like, wow, and everybody clapped for them. You also clap for them? But now I have a question for you. Let me see who can answer this question. What do you think is what you have learned, and who are those two frogs? Why did these two frogs reach to the top? Anyone? Yes? The frog was deaf. Both the frogs were deaf and they climbed at the top. So listen not to any negatives that are around you. Have a clear focus. Keep moving up. There will be many negatives that will come. There will be many people telling you, bichara, bichara, bichara. But you do not have to. You have to be deaf frogs. So will you all be my deaf frogs? I have always remained as a deaf frog. Will you be the deaf frogs? Thank you.